Winter fades, the cold drifts away. Golden sun spills into the day.
Winter has felt long this year. It's the kind of winter that seems to hang around forever, spreading its gray fingers all over the early months. The days have been slow and heavy, making time feel like it's dragging. To feel better, I've been snuggling up in warm, thick blankets and enjoying the soft glow of candlelight. The best part is listening to the comforting crackle of the fire. But I've been waiting for that first warm breeze sneaking through an open window. The moment when the morning light shifts, turning softer and more golden, anticipating the sound of returning birds and the scent of fresh blooms carried through the air. It's subtle at first, but suddenly, you just know. Spring has arrived, and with it, the feeling of new beginnings, opening up and breathing fresh air into every corner of your home. It's not just about decor, it's about creating a space that reflects the season. A space that feels alive, warm, and filled with light. I don't know about you, but when I think of spring and summer, I picture long, bright afternoons, flowers in bloom, and the soft touch of linen under my fingertips. It's a time for transformation, for letting go of the cold and embracing the warmth outside and inside. So today, let's turn our homes into a tribute to the beauty and ease of the seasons. It's about living those dreamy moments through the design, whether it's soft pastels that bloom under a golden sun or vibrant colors that bring joy into every corner of the room. Let's get started, shall we? Hello there. If you're new here, welcome to Fab by Design. If you're returning, welcome back. Today we're diving into precisely that, how to romanticize your space for the spring and summer seasons, inside and out. The little touches, textures, and colors that turn a simple room into a sanctuary of sunlight, warmth, and new beginnings. Now let's take a look at the current trends in spring home decor. First up is chinoiserie chic. Chinoiserie, known for its detailed patterns, fine craftsmanship, and bright colors, is becoming popular again. This includes hand-painted vases with cherry blossoms, bunny figurines with floral designs, and decorative plates featuring botanical illustrations in pastel blues. Here's how to incorporate chinoiserie into your spring decor. Create a focal point. Place a chinoiserie vase filled with lush faux greenery or vibrant spring blooms on your entryway table or mantel. Style with intention. Arrange chinoiserie-inspired dishes and accents on coffee tables or shelves, creating visual interest and adding a touch of elegance. Balance the old with the new. Pair chinoiserie pieces with minimalist modern furniture for a balanced look that blends classic charm with contemporary style. In this Northern California residence crafted by Suzanne Reinstein, Gracie's chinoiserie wallpaper envelops the dining room, which features an 18th century English table and chairs. The chandelier, made of gilt wood, is by Vaughan, and the curtains are crafted from Lee Joffa silk. This spring, plastic-like faux flowers are being replaced by real touch florals. These flowers are made with realistic textures and details, resembling fresh flowers. Here's how to use real touch florals in your home. Place real touch hydrangeas, tulips, or peonies in elegant vases for springtime elegance. Incorporate real touch florals into wreaths or garlands for springtime charm. Design a captivating spring tablescape with real touch florals as the centerpiece, adding a touch of elegance to your dining experience. Pastel colors like lavender, soft blue, blush pink, and buttercream yellow are classic for spring and are being modernized this year, creating a serene atmosphere. Here's how to use pastels in your home. For soft color, incorporate pastel ribbons into wreaths, garlands, and other decorative elements. Introduce pastel ceramic dishes, vases, or napkins to your tablescape or shelves for pops of color. Combine pastel accents with neutral backdrops like beige or white for a fresh, balanced, calming, and stylish look. Now, when it comes to natural textures, introduce outdoor elements into interior spaces by incorporating natural materials and textures. Vine wreaths, jute accents, and preserved florals are prominent trends this spring. This movement reflects an increasing interest in sustainability and biophilic design, which aims to create environments that connect individuals with nature and enhance well-being. Here's how to add natural textures to your home. Hang a grapevine wreath adorned with faux florals and pastel accents on your front door or as a focal point on a wall. Incorporate jute accents like carrot picks, placemats, or storage baskets to create a grounded and rustic feel. Style with preserved florals in vases, wreaths, or centerpieces for a long-lasting, eco-friendly touch. This spring, wreaths and swags go beyond door decor. They are versatile and can enhance any part of your home. Consider using real touch florals, lush greenery, and chinoiserie-inspired details. Here's how to style statement wreaths. Hang a statement wreath on your front door to greet visitors with a touch of seasonal elegance. Use a wreath as a centerpiece on your dining table, surrounding a cluster of candles or a vase of fresh flowers. Choose wreaths with pastel accents or lifelike flowers to complement your overall decor theme. Now let's explore what spring decorating looks like in different rooms. First up, we have the living room. Add deep yellows, electric blues, and vivid greens for an energetic space. Pick light fixtures from natural wood or rattan. Use mushroom-inspired lamps, sculptures, or artwork. Place a comfortable armchair with a throw and a side table with a lamp. Now let's address the heart of the home, the kitchen. Incorporate plants, natural materials, and earthy colors to create a nature-inspired environment. For a contemporary look, update cabinet hardware, light fixtures, or decorative objects with chrome finishes. For a bold and artistic effect, use oversized porcelain mugs, plates, and serving dishes. Ensure your kitchen receives ample natural light by using sheer curtains or light-filtering blinds. Next up is the dining room. Enhance your dining table's ambiance with fresh flowers, pastel-colored linens, and nature-inspired patterns. Integrate chintz patterns into your tablecloth, napkins, or curtains. Achieve a serene and elegant dining space by combining Scandinavian minimalism with Japanese aesthetics. Elevate your table setting by mixing and matching various textures in table linens, placemats, and centerpieces. Now let's discuss my personal favorite, the bedroom. Use soft pastel colors like lavender and blush pink for a serene atmosphere. Add botanical prints, floral patterns, and natural materials like rattan and wood. Combine linens with knit throws and velvet pillows for coziness. Use sheer curtains or light filtering blinds to let in sunlight. As spring fades into summer, our spaces should reflect the shift. More warmth, more ease, more moments of simple sunlit joy. Now let's look at some current trends in summer home decor. Capture summer's ease with coastal style. Light, airy rooms, soft sea and sand hues, and natural textures like rattan, cane, and jute. Here's how to create a coastal oasis in your home. Utilize a color scheme that mirrors the elements of the ocean, sand, and sky. Crisp whites, neutral tones, and refreshing blues. Incorporate materials such as bamboo, jute, and seagrass through furniture, lighting, and accessories. Add coastal-inspired accents like seashells, coral, or driftwood to evoke a sense of the seashore. Stripes are a common feature in summer decor and are prominent this year. Incorporating striped pillows, throws, or rugs will add a classic style to your home. Whether you're decorating a living room, bedroom, or patio, here's how to incorporate stripes into your summer decor. Try different sizes, shapes, and colors of stripes to determine the combination that suits your preferences and home decor. Incorporate a striped rug or throw pillows to introduce a pattern into a neutral space. When using bold stripes in decoration, balance them with solid colors and softer textures to prevent an overly busy appearance. White walls and ceilings can contribute to a contemporary appearance, creating an open atmosphere, and reflecting natural light to illuminate spaces of varying sizes. Here's how to use white in your summer decor. White walls serve as a perfect backdrop for colorful furniture or art, allowing easy seasonal redecorations. White walls and ceilings reflect natural light, making spaces brighter and more prominent. Use wood, rattan, and linen to bring warmth and interest to a white space. Ottomans are a functional addition to any room, suitable for summer decorating. They provide additional seating, serve as a footrest, or can be used as a coffee table. Their versatility makes them useful for both comfort and functionality in summer decor. Here's how to use ottomans in your summer decor. Ottomans offer a comfortable and informal seating solution for living rooms or bedrooms. Select ottomans made from luxurious materials such as velvet or leather to achieve a more refined appearance. Utilize ottomans as additional seating during social gatherings, or as footrests for relaxation after a long day. Organic modern decor incorporates natural materials, textures, and colors. It often includes woven baskets, rattan furniture, and a neutral color palette with accents of green and blue. Here's how to create an organic modern space. Use furniture, lighting, and accessories to add elements like bamboo, jute, and seagrass. Warm wood tones in furniture, cabinetry, and accent pieces create a welcoming atmosphere. Layer different textures, such as linen throw blankets, rustic wood elements, woven lighting, and jute rugs to add visual interest and depth to your space. Warm wood tones are expected to be a popular trend for summer 2025. Incorporate wood furniture, cabinetry, and accent pieces to establish an inviting atmosphere in your home. Here's how to use warm wood in your summer decor. Use a wood dining table or a coffee table as a focal point in your living or dining room. Incorporate wood cabinets or countertops to create an inviting kitchen space. Wood tones complement natural light, creating a bright atmosphere. Mixing textures can enhance the appearance of spaces during the summer. Here's how to mix textures in your summer decor. Combine various textures such as smooth, rough, and nubby surfaces to create both visual and tactile interest. Utilize different weaves and patterns in complementary colors to add depth and dimension to your environment. Integrate textured wall treatments or dimensional tiles to produce a more dynamic and engaging space. Coastal boho style combines modern coastal, California casual, and bohemian decor elements. It is often used for summer decorating. This trend reflects a broader movement towards eclecticism and personalized spaces, emphasizing a more relaxed and individualistic approach to home decoration. Here's how to create a coastal boho space. Use cotton and linen furniture, neutral hues, knit throw blankets, denim blues, leather accents, rustic wood furniture and beams, and various natural textural elements. Add macrame wall hangings, woven light fixtures, and plants to create an eclectic atmosphere. Mix different patterns and colors such as Moroccan-style rugs, denim blues, and earthy browns to create a distinctive space. Now let's explore summer decorating in different rooms. First up, we have the living room. Use tall house plants like monstera or snake plants. Use bronze, copper, or gold in candle holders, picture frames, or bowls. Use bright throw pillows and add wicker or rattan items. Arrange furniture to encourage conversation and relaxation. Next, let's explore the kitchen area. Use minimal cabinetry, geometric tiles, and warm wood tones. Choose bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled glass. Use light, airy curtains to let in natural light while maintaining privacy. Choose adjustable blinds to control the amount of light entering the room. Opt for Roman shades to add a touch of elegance and allow for easy adjustment of light and privacy levels. Show artwork, curated items on open shelves, or unique kitchenware. When it comes to the dining room, opt for comfortable seating and a table that encourages conversation and lingering. Instead of reserving your premium dinnerware exclusively for holiday gatherings, consider setting your table with your best china and linens regularly to create an atmosphere of special occasions. Decorate with warm, rich jewel tones like blues and greens. Enhance your ceiling with a contrasting paint color, wallpaper, or molding. In the bedroom, use whites, neutral hues, and blues to create a light and airy space. Incorporate striped pillows, throws, or rugs for a classic summer look. Designate a corner of your bedroom with a reading chair, a throw, and a book. For a textured feel, combine linen sheets with a cotton duvet cover, a cashmere throw, and decorative velvet or shantung silk pillows. Coastal style, the fisherman aesthetic, and quiet luxury all value natural materials, timeless elegance, and a relaxed atmosphere. These styles embrace a less is more approach, focusing on quality over quantity and creating stylish and livable spaces. Coastal style is all about creating a relaxed and inviting space that evokes the feeling of the seashore. It often incorporates natural materials like rattan, jute, and linen, and a color palette of soft blues, greens, and sandy tones. The fisherman aesthetic is a more rugged and practical take on coastal style. It emphasizes durable materials like wool and denim. and a muted color palette inspired by the sea and the coastline. Quiet luxury is about understated elegance and timeless design. It focuses on high-quality materials, a neutral palette, and subtle textures. Spring and summer decor are all about embracing the beauty of the seasons and creating spaces that feel both stylish and rejuvenating. Whether you're drawn to the timeless elegance of chinoiserie, the relaxed vibes of coastal style, or the understated luxury of natural materials, there's a trend to suit every taste and budget. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and materials to create a home that reflects your personality and the spirit of the seasons. Thank you kindly for watching. Watch this next video for more inspiration, and remember to live life fabulously.